Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you where Mama is staying right now while the house is being built. She likes to sit on this chair and watch TV. This is the porch right here outside. And then this is the bedroom, her bedroom she's staying at right now. There's Shiloh eating next to her walker. This is where me and Mama sleeps in the front. We sleep in the front here. When everybody was here, they would sleep all around next to her. Over here, upstairs. This is the entrance. Then we come up here. And then this is the entire, so far right now, this is her entire bedroom. There's a room in there, but it's really hot. The fan is out here. So when Mama wakes up, it's a far walk for her to go to the bathroom. So this is from her bed. She'll walk here. There's one stairs over here. She'll walk, which is a long walk for her because of her legs. Then there's the bathroom. Still the old bathroom. Sometimes she mistakes the bathroom for in back of the door. And then she'll walk, and then walk. And then this is the bathroom. She'll come, and this is still the oldest bathroom ever that we ever used. And sometimes it's hard for her to want to go shower, but we have to warm up the hot water for her. And here's the bathroom. Let me go turn on the light. Right now the electricity isn't working so well, so we have to plug in a light, which is on all night. But this is where she showers. She has to step up again here. Still the oldest shower that we've ever used when Papa was still alive too. She sits here. We get a bucket of water, mix it with hot water because she doesn't like to shower in cold water. She gets really cold. And so this is still the same shower that we showered in since we were small. And this is where Mama have to stay until the house is finished built. She brushes her teeth in there, then she comes out. We get her ready, about 2 or 3 of us, sometimes only one of us. We dry her, put on her lotion, put on her pamper. But this is a bathroom. At night she has to walk this far to come use the bathroom. So this is her walkway coming this way. And then back to her bed. This is where Mama's staying at right now until the house is built. Right now the house, it's taking a while for it to be finished. But I'll show you the progress of the house and give you an update. Okay.